Welcome everyone. In this video, let's look into our day 2 of the foundation course. This day 2 course is divided into 8 different sections. In that, now we'll be looking into your section 8, which is generating stove, orb and smart problem. So once you completed your kitchen modeling with your skirting, countertop and backsplash, now we can proceed on generating your sink. Yes, you heard it right. In this tool, we can generate the sink instead of modeling it. For that, place your cursor on the hammer icon, which is the generate tool. It will open up a drop down. In this, can you see a fifth option here, name sink? Select it. And once you selected it up, now it will ask you to select the cabinet for which you would like to generate the sink. In my case, this is my sink cabinet, so I can select it. And once you selected the cabinet, on the right, can you see there is something called sink style, right? Click on this and this will open up a sink style catalog. In this, click on public, where you will see different sink design options. Where some sink will come along with the faucet, some it doesn't, where you can independently select your faucet, you can place it on that sink. All those are feasible. So can you see here how elaborate your sink style catalog here is? In this, let me just select this sink style here, which comes with the faucet. So once I selected it up, and now it will show you the width and depth of the selected sink. Now, okay, you can precisely change it according to your requirement. Let's just say that in my design, I want this sink to be exactly about 850 mm in width and 500 mm in depth. In that case, I can change it here. So I can make the width as 850 mm and depth as 500. And once you typed in the width and depth of the sink, at the bottom can you see you have something called generate, right? Click it. That's it. Your sink will be generated just in seconds. And if you scroll down here, you will see something known as clearance. Can you see here your left and right clearance, your front and back clearance? Generally, if a sink is placed on the countertop, it won't be placed from end to end, right? There will be a bit of a clearance from the left, from the right, from the back and from the front, right? So those clearances can precisely be controlled. Okay, in default, depending on the width and depth of the sink what you are typing in, the clearance will automatically be calculated. We don't have to manually change that at all. But if you want, you can precisely change what should be the left clearance, right, front and back clearance. Once this is all edited, you can again hit generate. It will be precisely updated in the memory. And finally, if you are okay with the output, just click on finish so that you will exit your sink generation. So now let's just focus on generating your stuff. So for that, the process is exactly similar like your sink generation. Place your cursor in this hammer tool, which is the generate tool. It will open up a drop down. In this, can you see there is a sixth option here named stove, right? Click it. And now it will ask you to select the cabinet for which you would like to generate the stuff. Select the cabinet. And once that is done, on the right hand side, it will ask you to select the stove style. Click it. And this will open different stove designs. Select a design where you will find your gas based cooktops, where you will find your induction cooktops with different burner options too. So you can precisely select a stove which looks similar to your design. If you're not able to clearly see a stove or a sink in the small thumbnail, like I said, place your cursor on the top right eye icon. It will enlarge and show you the thumbnail. So in this way, let me just select this stove here. So once your stove is selected, and now it will ask you whether you would like to generate the chimney along with the stove. Yes, chimney generation is an optional thing in your stove. If you want your chimney to be generated along with the stove, just take this chimney wood style and now you will be able to select this option. Click it and now this will open up our chimney catalog here where you will find different designs of chimney. In this, just select the chimney which looks similar to your requirement. In my case here, let me just go for this chimney. Once you selected it up, at the bottom you have something called generate, right? Click and your stove and your chimney will automatically be generated. And don't worry about the chimney, it is actually generated inside this portion. Okay? That is because the default dimension of this chimney is lower than this chimney cabinet. So that's why it is precisely placed inside it. But once you are okay with this output, just click on finish so that you will exit your stove generation. And once you exited it, you can just click on this chimney. On the right hand side, it will show you its respective parameters, the width of the chimney, depth and height. Adjust it based on your actual design. So in my case here, the chimney width here needs to be 900 mm. The chimney depth here needs to be 400 mm. And now don't worry that the chimney is protruding your cabinet. You can just select this chimney and press your R button. Remember, R is the shortcut to change the toggle, right? So from the dimension toggle, I'm changing it as movement toggle. That way I should be able to precisely move the chimney and position it underneath my chimney cabinet. Or if you want, you can just select the chimney. It will show you its respective clearance, right? The distance of this chimney from the countertop, from the floor, from the top, right? You can even edit this clearance distance and make it precise. And now your chimney along with the stove is precisely generated. So with this, your entire kitchen is modeled here. Now what is remaining is your propping. So when it comes to propping, there are two methods here. First method is your conventional method, where I can just exit this kitchen modeling window, go to your public library. There you have a specific category named kitchen. Select it. You will find different propping which you need for a kitchen space. And you see your cookwares and tablewares, your condiment stands, cup, tableware, fruit baskets, kitchen tools, drinks, everything will be available. So if you are looking to place any prop here, just select that subcategory and you will find different fruit models for your propping. So in this you can just select, one and just place your cursor on the countertop. Yes, your public library models can detect your countertop level and you can precisely place it on top of the countertop. Can you see here? As simple as that. And this one is not only limited to your countertop placement. If we want to place a propping within your shelves of a cabinet, that can also be done. So here, if I want to place some jars inside the shelves here, just click it and place your cursor on that shelf. It will precisely detect it. If I want it on the upper shelf, just place your cursor there, that's it. All your public library models can detect your components. It can detect your shelf, countertop and so, and you can place it according to your requirement. So this is the first method of placing a propping, which is a conventional method. And don't worry about the models of the prop and everything. Like I said, in your public library, you have a specific category named kitchen, where you will find numerous models for your props. So now let's just focus on your second method, which is an intelligent and time efficient method, where we can deploy the AI systems to completely analyze your kitchen and it will auto prop your space. Okay, so for that, first you need to be inside your kitchen modeling window. In this, on the top menu bar, can you see there is something called AI template, right? Just place your cursor. It will open up a drop down and that you will see custom smart decor. Click it. And now can you see the tool itself has automatically detected all the kitchen cabinets which are placed in this project. And it will ask you to select any one of these three templates. So here it would have mentioned as L shape or U shape, that you don't need to bother. Anyways, it will auto prop based on your kitchen design. Okay. Just focus on the style of the propping which is used in that template. So for that, just place your cursor on the top right of this thumbnail. It will enlarge and show you where you can precisely see the style of the propping. And once you are okay with one template, just click on apply. Now the tool will completely analyze your kitchen model. It will analyze your countertop positions, your shelf positions for all your cabinets, and it will precisely prop your entire kitchen. Can you see here? And you would notice here, it has not only propped your countertop and open shelf, it has also propped the internals of the cabinet which has a shutter. Can you see here? If you want, you can even open these cabinets too. You will be able to precisely see the propping. And now if you feel like you don't like this prop, no worries. Just select another prop, click on apply, where all the applied prop will automatically be replaced by the new template prop. And now if you are okay with this output, you can just click on this finish so that you can exit your smart propping window. Okay. After you exited your smart propping window, and now if you feel like regenerating the smart propping here, you have to individually select each and every prop which is added here. You have to delete it and only then you have to regenerate. Otherwise, prop might tend to overlap with each other. And once it is smart prop, you can even select the prop and you can reposition it based on your preference. You can control its overall dimensions, like how you would generally control your public library model. All those settings could be done. So this way you can reorganize the smart props and make it accordingly. In addition to that, if you feel like you would like to add some components here which is not attained by your smart prop, in those cases you can just go for your public library, select the specific prop which you are looking for, and you can manually place it. And not only that, if you like to delete a prop which is created by your smart decor, just click it and press the delete button. It will be deleted. It will literally behave like a conventional public library model. So with this, your section 8 of the D2 Foundation course is completed.